Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. In this video, we're going to see if a lawnmower engine will run on liquid hand sanitizer. You know, yes, it is flammable, but is it combustible in an engine? So we're going to find out here. I have a 55-gallon drum. Because of what I do for a living, I know manufacturers during the whole Corona pandemic who was able to give me a 55-gallon drum. I said it's the liquid type. One second, I'll show y'all a small bottle, what it looks like. Here's a bottle here, what it looks like. But yeah, that's what it looks like in small bottles. You know, these are brand new bottles. As you can see, the seal there hasn't been broken. I have cases of it. No, I don't work for them. Like I said, what I do for a living, they want to help out the community because of what I do for a living. So I was able to get a drum of it along with a couple cases. But we're going to take this drum of it, and you can see that, well, I mean, it's just clear liquid, you know. We're going to pump it out into a jug, and we'll do that here in just 1 second. And then we're going to put it in a gas tank on a lawnmower and see if it'll run. And not only see if it'll run, but see if it'll actually run continuous and cut grass. We got to empty just, 1 gallon, just a tea jug, we emptied out. And we got a little siphon pump there that we're going to use. 1 second, I'm going to get this pump, hooked up with the hoses. And the plastic rings are worn out. And those of you who've never used a siphon pump, your top line is always your pull line. The bottom line is always your exit line. Hold that jug in between my feet here. It's pumping out. It just takes a minute, that's all. Can you see me in the video? Oh, see that do it? Figure that's good enough. Alright guys, we got about a half gallon there.
Oh, it's hunting, but it's
Alright guys,
it's not gun season.
we're here at this mower.
I'm gonna load it just right.
And
I might go hunting with hunting.
as I said, there it is.
Oh my
The
God.
liquid hand sanitizer out of the drum. It'll run. I said, but how good it'll run.
I know. It's gonna blow up.
Hang on, let me put the camera on the other side.
I'd be all the way out there, bro. Zoomed in on. Oh my God. Taylor, it's okay. It's just like gasoline. But it's not gasoline.
Exactly, so I want to see if it'll work. Because it's not gasoline. Whoops. Spills a little. Yeah. That's my little kill wire. Because I ain't got it hooked up to the ignition switch. Alright, now we're going to see if it'll start. you go, guys. Tell me what you think about this video. A lawnmower engine running on liquid hand sanitizer. Yeah, I don't have the ground wire hooked up to the ignition switch up in there for the coil, so I just got to ground it out to kill it. But tell me what y'all think in this video. If you thought it was entertaining and you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that share button. Make sure you share the video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Y'all have a great day.